Good morning, folks, and a happy 8/8/18 to everybody. The hourly U.S. Open Elliott wave updates are all posted, as you've probably seen. I'm going to just buzz through the charts quick here. Before we do, I got one little small favor to ask of everybody. Everybody's doing great, and I appreciate all the tweets and likes and retweets and all that. It's going great. But after you look at, read the description, take a look at the chart and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, scroll down to the bottom. And I'm going to try to keep a week to 7 days worth of charts here, so you can just you can see how the wave count has progressed. But at the bottom, you can mail this post, you can blog it, tweet it, Facebook, Pinterest, all that. If you like what you see, and you could tweet it with pound Elliott, did I spell it right? Wave, hit tweet. That would be awesome. And it will show up right here. There's a premium subscription service out there for Elliott Wave that whenever they see somebody posting here, they will flood this. I have them blocked so they can't see me, I can't see them, but they will flood this with junk just to keep everybody out of there. But if you guys could do that, if you like what you see, if you don't like it, by all means don't do it, but if you like what you see, that would help quite a bit. Dollar index, still looking at the 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Oops, I'm sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 or 3 4. Still looking at this ending diagonal. This we didn't lose the divergence. We did lose it here, but not here. So this, like I said the other day, this could be 3. We could see a 4 to 5. As long as we're above 94.07, I will continue to look higher in this dollar index. Aussie yen, nice reversal off that 618 just below the 2 equal legs. Short at 82.76, stops at 83.26 for 50 pips. We could almost bring that stop down to just above that right now. I think we have 5 down. We should be in good shape, but usually I like to wait till we hit this first target just to give a little room for the flopping around. Then we could see the 76 here, longer term. Aussie dollar, nice spike down again off that 2 equal legs, getting a kind of a bounce here now, but I think we're starting. The one thing, excuse me, that we need to be concerned with here, and I've mentioned it before, is that this is A, then we have A, 3 waves down for an A, 3 waves up for B, 3 down for C, D, and this 3 waves down is E, and we see it move up into 75 area rather than continuing lower. So really at this point, if it gets above 74.64, we know where that triangle is invalid, but above this high here, 74.40 area, leaves a better chance that we're heading higher on that. Euro dollar, Euro Aussie, I think we're done with this move down. RSI is breaking higher, broke above the trend line, broke above the 60 here. So we could have an A here, look for B, C up. Then maybe, I don't know that I like shorting this at all. It's just, we could still be like an A, B, C going higher yet. And I don't know that I like shorting this right now. Euro pound looking good. 1 2 1 2 1 2. I think we're going to see some 4s and 5s. 90 30, possibly even 90 74. We should see the RSI start diverging here on these next few highs. And that will just be for the wave 3, and then we'll see a 4 and a 5 yet. Should. Euro yen, I mentioned maybe if we don't see 3 equal legs up into this 130, shorting below this low with a stop above 29.50ish, 29.45. My one concern I have seen after I posted that is this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a leading diagonal A wave, or 1, and then we bounce up and get stopped out here. I guess that's the risk we take, but very possible that we see that leading diagonal in a deeper retrace here. So something to keep in mind if you were going to try that short. But I mean, if it bounces from here, that big spike down kind of has me concerned. I don't think it's going to bounce, but if it does do an ABC, then I'd feel better shorting in that 130 against 131.26. Oh, euro dollar. Got 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're in that 50 to 618 bounce area. So I'd like to see 5 more up here, stalling out at the 2 equal legs and the 61.8 retrace. Same thing here with, as I showed up in the Aussie dollars, this could be A, B, C, D. We could be working on E now. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's true. We could still be working on E and then down from there, but then this would be the triangle here. If I could drag these lines the correct way. So then that would be your triangle there with A, B, C, D, E. So that one's okay. That one doesn't really bother me much. It's the other one that it could be. This could be A, and then you got A, B, C. 3 waves up for D, E. Then it breaks up to the upside. So 1746 is the line in the sand on that. RSI is touching that, reaching that trend line and resistance here, so we'll see what this next move. If we have a strong move up that breaks above these highs here in the RSI, it could be a warning that it is going to go higher. Pound Aussie looking good to the downside right now. Unfortunately, we didn't get our ABC up to get short up here. Did break to 73. I can't read what that says. 73, 74 area. So I think we'll see something around 71, possibly 69, if it tests this trend line, or this trend line before. And again, this could be done right here with B. This B wave could be done right here at 7, and then you got 1, 2, and you're working on a third wave down, or even a stronger C wave. But I think we're going to see, scratchy throat. See another leg down here. Excuse me. So yeah, if we can get a bounce off the 71 area, then I'd be looking for this 9, 10, 11, or the ABC up for Z. Pound dollar, we're getting close to our 42 target with this leading diagonal. And again, that's kind of why I think the pound Aussie, pound dollar should be bouncing along with this. If this is a leading diagonal, we get 3 waves up from B, we should see kind of the same thing here. Obviously, they both bounced on October 7th. Sorry, back in here. So, shorter term, you know, we got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. I think we're going to see a 4 and a 5 here. We've lost all the divergence on the RSI. Starting to, yeah, we're losing it on the awesome oscillator as well. So, we could easily see 42 and possibly even 41. The bottom of this 4150 is the bottom of this trend line, but overshooting it is not out of the question here. So, continuing to look lower as long as 144.44 holds. Pound dollar, we could still be in this wave 3 here, I think. As I mentioned in the post, this 1, 2, this is a pretty long sideways wave 2 with a very short wave 4 here. So this wave 3 could be ending here at this 261. We get the bigger wave 4 here and then a 5th wave down. So we are at near that trend line here. So dollar CAD, I didn't. Still holding that 30.50 area, 30.49. So we could have one very shallow 2, 1, 2, and it continues higher. Well, if we break this 30.49, then we might see a deeper wave 2 before the 3 higher. But I'm still looking higher, looking for maybe 34.90. Come up and kiss this trend line here. We got the top of the channel. We got the 618 there, so that could be where we see the reversal. And then I'll be looking back below 2062 from up here. Swissy, it looked like we got 3 waves up. If we break this 99.30, then you know I'll probably move this A wave up here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for A, then an A, B. Maybe see a C wave down before 5 more up into this 1.0020 area with a possible short against 1.0067. Dollar yen, what a mess it is right now. Like I said yesterday, if Swissy's coming down after this correction, then the dollar yen is probably going to do the same thing. So we will probably see it breaking this 110.59. At which point we could be looking for a 108.11 here for this support area along here. Then this would be just an A, B, C, or WXY or something. Then we got, so we'd have an A, B, C, and then we'd look for more up till 116.75. So that's all I have for now. Again, thank you very much for all the tweets, the likes, and the retweets, all that good stuff. Appreciate it very much, the donations. They're a big help. So, thanks again.